It was a beautiful, bubbly morning in Finlandia. Baby Shark, whom his family called Brook, was chasing a trail of shimmering bubbles.
Catch me if you can, Bubby. Catch me if you can, Bub. Oh no! The rainbow flowers are crying! The rainbow flowers are crying!
But as Brook swam deeper into the reef, the bubbles stopped and something strange took their place.
Brook, why have your fins stopped wiggling, little one?
Look, Mommy! The floaty veils are choking the reef! We have to help!
No, it's too much trash for just us, Brooke. The ocean is too big.
Ho ho! Even the mightiest whale started as a small fry, Duke. If we lead, the reef will follow.
Grandpa was right. A little bit of teamwork can change the whole world.
Tail power! 1, 2, 3.
That's it, Brooke! Tail power!
With a swish, swish, swish of a happy tail, through the blue, blue sea we set our sail. Pick up the gray, bring back the bright. We're cleaning the reef with all our might. Heave ho, watch us go, making the coral garden grow. One small fin and a great big heart. That's how a miracle gets its start. Mommy finds a bag, Daddy pulls a net. The cleanest reef you've ever met. Grandpa cheers and Brooke zooms by, under the waves in the sunny sky. Tug it, pull it, give it a shove. Fill the ocean with lots of love. Pull, pull, pull. Now the rainbow is back to stay. Let's go play in the waves today.
Now the rainbow is back to stay. Let's go play in the waves today.
The shark family worked fin to fin. Daddy Shark used his super strength, Mummy Shark used her graceful speed, and Brook used his tiny size to find every last scrap.
Look at it sparkle! It's like the ocean is saying thank you. We did it! We saved the rainbow!
And just like that, the grey was gone. The reef began to glow with a magical neon light. It was more beautiful than ever before.
No fin is too small to make a big difference. When we take care of our home together, the whole world shines a little brighter. Now the rainbow is back to stay. Let's go play in the waves today.
Don't forget to protect your reef too. See you next time, adventurers.